Definitely a little early for fat biking, but I'll take what I can get. All right, I'm still riding the 2018 Norco Bigfoot 1. This one came with a rigid fork and 4x8 tires. Came with Schwalbe Jumbo Gems. It did come with a driver's seat post, which is still on there. So what all have I changed since I bought the bike? I changed out the rotors for bigger rotors. Got 203 in the front, 180 in the rear. Changed out the front fork to an RST Renegade. Now it was pretty budget. It was only $200 when I bought it. These tires I just put on, these are 45 North Van Helgas 4.0s. I got them on eBay for $90 for 2 of them, so I felt like that's a pretty good deal. Riding EC pedals. These are the EC Stomp XL. I've got them on one of my other bikes as well. Got a 28 tooth oval chainring by Black Spire. It's called the Black Spire Snaggletooth. Still running the stock gearing, SRAM NX. It's 1x11, got 11 to 42 in the rear. The 28 up front feels pretty good climbing. Little cosmetic things, the rim strip I talked about before, but put a new rim strip in, kind of color coordinated. Got a Hope hub in the front I had to change out. Had to change out the Hope hub. Had to change out the front hub because it was a different size when it came. Changed out the handlebars right away just because I liked the way these looked on it. That was a great color for it. What I really like about the Bigfoot is the geometry. You can set it up to be really good for going downhill. I feel like it's pretty aggressive. I like to put a little bit bigger fork on the front. That's only 100 millimeters of travel. I'd like to go at least 120. That would be nice. But we'll do a little riding today, have some fun. Good morning. What's up, buddy?